Well, it's time to get the old truck ready for hunting season. Kind of gets ignored throughout the year, but it's almost hunting season, so I'm going to change the oil and the filter on the transmission and the motor. Hasn't been done in a while, so get that done. See if it'll fix the hard shifting that it's been having. Got some special stuff that I'm going to add to the transmission oil. Had some good luck with that stuff, so see if it'll fix it. Let's get her done. First I'm going to drop the oil, the motor oil. Got my catch basin underneath there. Oil filter is just right there inside the oil pan. Put the wrench on it, loosen off. Just make sure your catch basin is underneath the oil filter as you take it off, because it's going to leak some oil like that.
Your money, we know what's best. Well, Alberta's got a different request. Let Alberta.
So to drain the oil in the transmission, the best way I know how is loosen off these front bolts. Just loosen them off, back them out, and same with the first few on the side, and then take the rest of them out, and then you tilt the oil pan down, have your catch basin in the back, and catch the oil as it drains out the back. It doesn't have a drain plug, so that's about the only way to get the oil out of there. Try to get as little mess as possible. See how it goes. Okay, now we got one bolt left on the far side here. There we go. Got it off. So once you have the oil pan off, remove the filter. It's got two little Torx bit screws here. It's a T20. Just take those out. The filter should just come right off. Looks like it will. I don't drop these screws in the oil pan. So you're gonna make sure the old gasket is removed. This one got stuck on here, so I can see if I can scrape that off somehow or peel it off. Looks like it might just peel off. That's even better. Perfect. Oh yeah, it's gonna come off nice and clean. All right, very good. Give it a good wipe. So you got the oil pan all cleaned up, and it's got a little magnet in the back here. Make sure you take that off and give it a good cleaning. Magnet is very important. And got the gasket here. Time to put the oil pan back on and fill her up with oil. I'll also be adding this to the transmission. I've had some very good results with this stuff. Fixed some pretty major hard shifting problems on transmissions in the past. Changing filter and adding this to the new oil. Fixed a lot of problems for me. So I'll be adding that again to this Dodge Dakota. Got the Mobile 1 ATF plus 4. That's what they recommend. We'll be adding a little bit of oil and add in that special stuff. Alright, we're going to give that a try. Start it up and warm it up, see how full it is, see if I need to add more. I don't want to overfill it. So I took it for a drive and had to top it up a little bit more. The transmission was a little bit low, but immediately the rough shifting started to get better, so that's great. Another problem averted, hopefully. So if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.